Hey everybody, this is going to be a very quick video. Sometimes it happens that you need to change the background image of your Modular 2.0 compass control program. And, just to remind everybody, the correct way to do it is at the very beginning of when you begin your program of a Module 2.0 project, you come to this title and backgrounds, and you could choose which image you'd like from our default selection. And these all match these are what we're using in our demos of our Compass iOS app, so you could see those images. But if you've forgotten to do that at first, there's another way you could do it, which is, we actually, the image is in here twice. So I'm in the iPad now, and I can see it's once on the main page, and currently we're using the conference room image, and here's the image file name, right? And then again, it is on this scenarios page, because when you do a modular programming, the programming kind of makes some things visible, some things invisible as you navigate through the UI. So it does need to be updated twice. Now, we know that the other images are in our software, but how do we know the name? Because all we really have to do is use this ... ellipses to browse and find the image we want, right? So how we know the name? Well, I've opened a second Compass session here, and here in our default directory, we actually give you all of the demo projects from our iPad app. So here we are. It's located in the C drive, x86, KeyDigital, of course. And here's the demo Compass Pro. This is the right folder for you. Now, let's say this customer needs to go residential. So I'm just going to open up the residential demo. And on the main page, here is the image name, background_residential. Okay. And so I'm going to flip back over into, and this is just that, if you already know the project name exactly, or if it's your own image, then that's fine also. You would just add that to your images library. But what I'm going to do here now is update on the iPad. Okay, clicking where I found that. It's when you do a modular project, again, it's two places. The first place is on the main page, and it's this one called main image background. So I'm just gonna ... ellipses, and I'm here in the demo Compass Pro, and I'm going to basically, well, actually, I better show you the correct way. I could get it directly from the project itself, the resources folder, but in this case, the correct way to do it is to type in that actual name. So background underscore, and I just started that, and we could choose it. Okay. And now let's see, I did have to click out and click back in to make sure it's correct. Now, don't fret if you don't see it, because remember, it's on here twice. So I'm going to do that once again, where this one still has the conference room. Choosing it. Okay. And now we see that. Okay. Now, if you have two iPads and they're not clones or copies of each other, then they are unique. So I'm going to just repeat that one more time. Second iPad, main page, main image background, ... ellipses. It's remembered my search, and looks like, yeah, you do have to click out, click back in to see that actually the associated, the used image file name update for us. Doing it twice, back, okay, checking both, and there we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and upload this project and pull it down into my iPad.